the bear crawl series. Starting in a tabletop posture, you can do a few cat-cows to get the spine and shoulder girdle and hip girdle situated with being in a more of a neutral-like posture, or intentionally more cat or intentionally more cow. Of course, the cow shoulders are back, the cat shoulders are forward, spine is more rounded, convex. Cow is more the spine being concaved, or being shoulders pulled back, stomach, chest forward. Just doing a few of those, anywhere from 10 to 20, whatever the spine needs. Don't forget to keep the wrist straight. It's really about just articulating the shoulder girdle back. Remember, Spider-Man fingers to keep the pads of the fingers down, letting the arch of the hand work for you. And again, being mindful to not just pinch shoulder blades back and round them forward, equally rotating the hips and pelvis. You can then elevate your knees off the ground for a few inches or so and try articulating either just the shoulder girdle or both the shoulder and pelvic girdle, going through your cat and cow-like posture. Again, 10 to 12 of these should do the trick, and this is more of a stability exercise. Now you can take this into maintaining a cow posture and doing shoulder taps. You can equally do these shoulder taps with yourself in a cat-like posture, a little more rounded. That might be a little more dynamic, certainly would get more of the abdomen involved. And again, you're tapping each opposite shoulder, keeping the legs elevated and pelvis as sturdy and stable as you can, tapping the shoulders, alternating that posture. You can then alternate by reaching for the opposite foot or ankle or knee, however far you're able to reach back. Again, alternating and maintaining. This would be more of a cat-like posture, and really you could even take this into a downward dog while reaching for the opposite arm to leg combination. Again, reach only as comfortably as you can. Try to use a more sturdier surface. This, of course, is being done on a gym floor. We then do the bear crawl moving forward. Try to alternate and create the best cat-like version of yourself, walking, keeping that pelvis relatively angled with your shoulder girdle. The bear crawl does actually bias the pelvis up. There are several variations to this. Walking forward and backward is just one means, and then going side to side, equally another means, while maintaining this bear or lizard stance. Again, your abdomen should maintain a relative amount of tension while moving side to side. Remember to grip through the pads of the fingers so as not stress the wrist joint exclusively.